Hello! Today we are going to make a super fast recipe. We're going to make a cup brownie cook in the microwave. We're going to need flour, sugar, cacao powder, melted butter and water, and we're going to cook it in a cup. Also we can add cinnamon and vanilla extract or essence, up to you. And also we can change the butter for oil, vegetable oil. Okay, first we're going to add all the dry ingredients inside the cup. Mix all the dry ingredients. We have to mix it till all the ingredients looks like just one. Then we add the liquids, the water and the melted butter. Drops of the vanilla essence and a pinch of cinnamon. Now we mix all again till we get a creamy consistency. We mix well without leaving any dry ingredient. This is the consistency we want. Now the preparation is ready to go to the microwave. We just need to clean the edges and set up the microwave in the correct way. Now we have to put the full power of the microwave, that in this case is 1000 watts, and we are going to cook for 40 seconds. And check how it is. Still too liquid. We have to cook it 30 seconds more.